Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given a system of equations. We're asked what is the value of x. So if we have 1/2 times 2x plus y is equal to 21 halves, this is the first equation up there. We are told by the second equation that y is equal to 2x. So what we can do is substitution. Wherever we see y in this equation, which is right there, we can plug in 2x. So we have 1/2 times 2x plus y is equal to 2x, so plus 2x. This is all equal to 21 over 2. Now we have an equation where we can solve for x. So, first thing we can do is we can multiply everything by 2. That'll get rid of these fractions, right? In this side, you get 2 over 2, so that cancels. Same thing, 2 over 2, that cancels. So we get 1 times this, so just this. So 2x plus 2x is 4x. Again, these canceled and this canceled. So 2x plus 2x is 4x. And then on this side, we have this 2 and this 2 canceled, and we're left with 21. If you don't want to do that, then you can just distribute out the 1/2 and do some division later. But this is what you're going to get. We want to solve for x, so we divide both sides by 4. We get x is equal to 21 over 4, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.